Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can fast doing unfollow on Instagram with some app. So for installing this app and downloading, you need to go to Play Store and just write Instagram and followers, and here you will find followers and unfollowers app. Here you can see that it also has good rating and good reviews and about 5 million downloads. And just click here, you will see install. So just click on install, it will successfully download and install this application on your mobile phone. So after, you can also click only on open, sign into your Instagram account, and you will see here all your following people you follow, and you can also click here unfollow, and it will successfully unfollow these people. So here you can see that after it unfollowing, and this person disappear from your list. So it successfully unfollow all people that you follow. So it really takes less time to do in this app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.